Hello guys and welcome to AppWhiz. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to set a daily time limit on Instagram so you can better manage your screen time and avoid spending too much time on the app. First of all, go to the App Store and type Instagram in the search bar. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues or missing options. Once it's updated, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap on the three white lines in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Time Management. Here you will see the option called Daily Limit. Tap on it and choose how much time you want to spend on Instagram each day. After you set the limit, Instagram will remind you to close the app once you reach that time, and it will also notify you when you're getting close to the limit. This is a great way to stay focused and control your daily usage. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this. Until next time, see you soon.